Ever wondered how some YouTubers make eye-catching thumbnails with amazing characters and glow effects, even without Photoshop? Well, I'm going to show you how I do it using free tools like ChatGPT, Copilot and Ibis Paint X, right from scratch. So let's get started. To create characters for your thumbnail, first, go to any AI image tool like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot. Type a well-written prompt to generate characters. For example, ask the AI to make a hyper-realistic character. Also tell the AI, the background must be green screen with no shadows or reflections. This will make editing easier later in Ibis Paint X. You can take a screenshot of my prompts if needed. Now describe the background images you need. We will need 2 backgrounds. Be specific in your prompt. Describe if it should be wide angle, landscape mode, or any other style. As you can see in my case, AI has generated proper images for the backgrounds. After all the required images are generated, open Ibis Paint X. Tap on My Gallery. Tap the plus icon to create a new canvas. Set width 1920, height 1080, and click OK. Now open the Tools option. Select Frame Divider. Tap in the middle of the canvas and click Add Frame. Slide the horizontal space slider to 959 to create a vertical line in the center. Now to add right and left backgrounds, tap the layer icon, bottom right. Tap the camera icon and add the right side background image and adjust it to the right half. Add the left side background image and adjust it to the left half. Arrange both so that they are perfectly split across the canvas. Now hide both background images by tapping the eye icon on each layer. Now add your first character. Tap the camera icon and add character 1. Place it on the right half of the canvas. It will crop the image in half to fit the side. Then save it. Tap on Tools Magic Wand and select the green background. If needed, zoom in and tap multiple times to select all green parts. Go to Tools Eraser, set the size to 1000 and erase the green background. Tap the square icon, top right, and click Remove Selection Area. Erase any remaining green parts manually by decreasing eraser size. Now add second character. Open layer and tap camera icon. Then add character 2. Place it on the left side with half outside the canvas. It will crop the image in half. Use Magic Wand to select green background. Then go to Tools Eraser. Increase the size and erase the green part. If green is not properly selected by Magic Wand, erase manually. Tap the square icon, remove selection area, and clean up any leftovers. Now adjust character's position. Go to Layers, select Human Character, then go to Tools, Transform and move it to the center left. Go to Layers, select AI Robot, then go to Tools, Transform and move it to the center right. Keep switching between layers and adjusting until both characters are perfectly placed. Once done, unhide both background layers from earlier. Now add third character. Go to Layers, click the camera icon and add character 3. Place it on the left side of canvas. Remove the green background just like before. Use Magic Wand, select green. Use Eraser, increase the size and clean it all. Tap square icon and remove selection area. Erase remaining green manually. To flip the character, go to Layers and tap the flip icon. Adjust its size and position. Now add glow effect to right side character. So first hide all left side layers. Add a new layer. Place it below the right character but above its background. Tap color tool and choose your blue glow color. Go to Tools, Brush. Select Airbrush, Normal. Brush size 550 plus. Opacity 45%. Paint behind the character until the glow looks natural. Increase brush size slightly and paint edges for a soft fade. Tap Tools, Magic Wand. Select the glow leaking into the left side and erase it. Then remove the selection. Now add glow effect for left side character. First unhide the left side layers and hide right side layers. Add a new layer and place it below the left character but above its background. Choose orange glow color. Use airbrush like before and paint it behind the character. Use Magic Wand to select glow leaking into right side. Erase it and remove selection. Unhide all layers again. Now add white glow in center. Go to Layers, add a new layer. Place it below both characters but above previous glows. Set color to white. Opacity 89% and brush size around 700 plus and paint in middle of center. Increase brush size further and tap again for a smoother white center glow. Now add text with black background. Set brush color to black. Add a new layer. Paint a black strip on the top and bottom of the canvas using brush with low opacity. Add another layer. Go to Tools, then select Text and tap where you want to type. Choose Font. Don't forget to check License. Type your text. Place it properly. Now add better style to the text. Go to Tools, Filters and choose Filter as Water Drop, Rounded. Again tap the filter to open settings. Adjust as needed. Distance 20%. Flatness 100%. Height 1px. Smoothness 1%. Refractive index 1.41. Highlight 82%. Highlight size 37%. Environment color 300%. Shadow 0%. Now add another text. Create a new layer. Go to Tools, select Text, add text, type your text, place it in the bottom and resize it. Now add question mark icon. Go to Layers, add a new layer and place it above the characters but below black glow effect. Set color to white. Use gouache, opaque, brush, size around 27. Draw a question mark shape wherever needed. And that's how you can create a professional looking thumbnail using just AI and Ibis Paint X. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.